So guys, welcome to this video. Papakita ko naman kung paano i-confirm ang payment ng inyong mga referrals. Okay, so first, you need to log in to your Turbo Pay Plan back office. Okay, now nakita nyo to under Order Manager. Okay, paid by, ito yung referral. Okay, and all you need to do is just click on this button here, yung lapis or ballpen. Okay, click to confirm and click to confirm again. So make sure po na andyan yung PayPal. Okay, looks like it's done. Huwag niyo pong i-click until you check your PayPal account kung andun talaga yung funds. Okay, so click on confirm. Okay, so that's it.